Hello everybody and welcome to Math Magic. Today I'll be showing you a really simple trick to do mental calculations of 2 and 3 digit numbers without using calculators. Excited? Come on, let me show you how. So first, let's look at the 11 times table. You must already be familiar with the 11 times table and know how to multiply 1 times 11, 2 times 11, 3 times 11, all the way to 12 times 11, or maybe even 20 times 11. And your answers should definitely be like this. But hey, instead of memorizing the 11 times table or instead of having to use a calculator, what if I showed you a neat little trick of how you can multiply any number with the number 11 and still get the correct answer? And you can do it really quickly and simply. Want to learn how? Let's look at an example. 13 times 11. So let's look at the number 13. It has 1 and 3. So you just take 1 and leave it at one side. You take 3, you leave it at the right side, and you take 1 plus 3, you get 4. So you put it as 1, 4, 3, and that gives you the answer. Surprised? Let me show you. 1, 1 plus 3, and 3. And yes, that is the correct answer to 13 times 11. And it works for every other number. Come, let me show you more. 14 times 11. 1, 1 plus 4, 4. You get 154. See, it's really simple, and you can try it with many more numbers. 18 times 11. Come on, have you done it in your head? Can you do it mentally? What is the answer? 198. 28 times 11. What does it give you? 2, 2 plus 8, and 8. But hey, there's a little problem over here because it becomes 2, 10, and 8. The answer is not 2108. So what you have to do is take this 10 and the 1 over here, you have to actually bring it over to the 100th side. Okay, to carry it over. So it becomes 308. That's how it works. Let me show you more. 57 times 11. 5. 5 plus 7. And 7. So you get 5, 12, and 7. So similarly for 12, you take the 1 and you put it over to the 5. You carry it over to the 5. So you get 6, 2, 7. 139 times 11. You get 1, 1 plus 3, 3 plus 9, and 9. So the answer would be 1, 4, 3 plus 9 is 12, and 9. So because this is 12, the 1 you have to bring it over to the hundreds. So you have to bring it over to the 4. So it becomes 1, 5, 2, 9. 7, 5, 3, 9 times 11. Now that's a really big number. So you have 7, 7 plus 5, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 9, and 9. So you have 7, 12, 8, 12, and 9. So you keep the 9 over here. In this 12, you bring the 1 over. So this becomes 9. And in this 12, again, you bring the 1 over. So this becomes 8. So the answer is 8, 2, 9, 2, 9. Okay, I hope you got the hang of the 11 times table. Now let's try multiplication of other numbers. 98 times 99. Now that's a really large number. How do we do that? 98 is 100 minus 2. 99 is 100 minus 1. So you put them on the right like this, 98, 99. And since this is 100 minus 2, you put minus 2 over here. And because this is 100 minus 1, you put minus 1 over here. You realize I didn't put it as minus 2. I put it as minus 02. I put it as a two-digit number. Why is that so? That's because there are two zeros after 100 over here. And similarly, two zeros after 100 over here. So therefore, I keep these two numbers as two-digit numbers. Now, what I do is I multiply them. 2 times 1 gives me 2. 98 minus 1 is 97. 99 minus 2 is also 97. Since I give the same number, I put 97 over here. And that is also my answer. 9702. Got it? Let's try another example. 93 times 96. 93 is 100 minus 7. 96 is 100 minus 4. I put them on the right over here. 93, 96, 7 and 4. And similarly over here, I also put them as two-digit numbers. So 7 times 4 gives you 28. 96 minus 7 gives you the same answer as 93 minus 4, which is 89. So the answer is 8928. Now let's try a larger number. 101 times 109. So 101 is 100 plus 1. 109 is 100 plus 9. So you put these two numbers here. You put plus 1 and plus 9 here. Two digit, two digit. 1 times 9 is 9. 101 plus 9 is 110. 109 plus 1 is also 110. So the answer is 11009. 11009. Come, let's try another example. 110 times 119. 100 plus 10, 100 plus 19. You put these numbers over here. You put 10 and 19 over here. 10 times 19 gives you 190. 110 plus 19 gives you 129. Similarly, 119 plus 10 also gives you 129. But is the answer 129190? I don't think so. Because this number has to remain as a two-digit because there are two zeros over here. So this 1, you bring it over to the 9. So it becomes 1, 2, 9 plus 1, 9, 0. But this also becomes 10. So it also has a 1 that you carry forward to the 2. So it becomes 13090. And that is your answer. Simple as that. Now shall we try another number? 993 times 992. Whoa, there are three zeros over here. Let's see how we can solve this question. 993 and 992, I put them over here on the right. I put minus 007 because there are three zeros here and three zeros here. So I put minus 008. 7 times 8 is 56. But I put it as 056 because I have to keep it as a three-digit number. 993 minus 8 and 992 minus 7 gives me 985, excuse me, 985. So the answer becomes 985056. Okay, so let's try multiplying other types of numbers. 45 times 54. Now there are no hundreds or thousands to round these numbers up to. They are not that near 100 or 1000. So that method may not be so suitable. So let's try the dot method. This is the dot method. So this means you multiply the outside first. This cross means you multiply it this way and then you add it with the multiplication of this way. And this means you multiply the inside and then you get the answer. Confusing? Let me show you. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16 and 5 times 5 is 25. So you give 16 plus 25 gives you 41. Over here 4 times 5 gives you 20. So you take the last number here, 0. This 2 you carry forward to 1, gives you 3. This 4 you carry forward to the 0, gives you 4, and you keep the 2. That is your answer. So let's try it with another question. 27 times 77. The number itself looks complicated. So you first do 7 multiplied by 7 because you have to multiply the outer numbers first. Gives you 49. And then 2 times 7, 14, plus 7 times 7 is 49. Answer is 63. I'll explain this carry forward a little later. And then 2 times 7 is 14. So in 49, you keep the 9. And the 4 you carry forward to 63. So 3 plus 4 gives you 7. So it becomes 67. You keep the 7. The 6 you carry forward to the 14. So this gives you 10. So you keep the 0 and you bring the 1 over to the 1 gives you 20. So the answer is over here. The answer is over here 2079. 2079. Let me show you one last example before you can try some questions on your own. 62 times 31. 2 times 1 is 2. 6 times 1 plus 2 times 3. 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Answer is 12. I'm highlighting the last number, the last digit of every number. So you highlight 2 because there's no other number, you highlight 2. In 12, you highlight 2 because the 1 has to be carried forward to the other number before it. And then you get 18 for 6 times 3, 18. 18 for the 8, this 1 is carried forward to the 8, so you have 19. So the answer is 1922. And that's all we have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments about this video or any questions that you'd like me to answer, please comment in the comment section at the bottom. If you like this video, I hope you press like, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you are notified of any new videos that you have and you can keep yourself updated of new math learning tricks and methods. Thank you. Until next time. Bye-bye.